Good day to all. In this video, we learn about what is the services of the operating system. An operating system provides services to both the user and also the programs. It provides the programs and environment to execute, and also the provides users the services to execute the program in the convenient manner for that. So, following these are the services has been provided by the operating system. The first one is program execution, I/O operations, file system manipulation, communications, and also the error detection. What is program execution? Create operating system handle the many kinds of activities from the user programs to the system programs like printer, name servers, file servers also. So each of these activities is encapsulated as a process. A process includes the complete execution context, code to execute and data, registers and OS also. Though we have to and the what are the activities has been followed for the during the execution of the program. The first step is it loads the program into the memory, and second one execute the program, handle the program's execution, and it process the mechanism for process synchronization and the communication process, and finally if it is any deadlock means it handled that. So these process has been followed to for the execution program execution. And the next one is I/O operation. An I/O subsystem comprises of the I/O devices and their corresponding driver software also. So drivers hide the specific hardware devices from the users. So an operating system manages the communication between the user and the device drivers. So I/O operations means read or write operation with any file or any specific I/O devices. Next one is operating system provides the access to the required I/O devices when we are required. Next one is file system manipulation. A file means nothing but the collection of related information. The computers can store files on the disk or for long-term storage purpose. For example, the storage media include the magnetic tape and magnetic disk and also the optical disk drivers, CD, DVD. These are called the storage devices. Each of these media has its own properties like speed, capacity, data, also the data access methods also. A file system is normally organized into directories, and also we can use the usage. These directories can contain files and other directions. So we have to how we can access that files. These are also managed by the operating system. For reading or for managing our files, we need to follow these steps. First one is the program needs to read a file or write a file, and the operating system gives a permission to the programmer for the operations of the file, and the permissions varies from read only or read write or denied, and also it provides an interface to the create and backup the file system also. And the operating system has to provide the interface to the user to create or delete the directories or files, and also we have to give the permissions to read only or read or any denied operations also. And next one is the communication. The communication in this distributed system, which are the collection of processes that do not share memory, peripheral devices, or a clock also. The operating system manages the communication between all the processes. Multiple processes communicate with one another through the communication lines in a network. It handles the routine and the connection strategies and the problems of contention and also security. Yes, so we have the major activities of an operating system to respect to the communication. First, the two processes require data to be transferred between them. So both processes can be on the computer or different computers but are connected through a computer network. Then only we can share the data from between that two machines. The communication may be implemented by two methods. First one is shared memory and also the message passing method. Using that we can share our data with others. And next one is error handling. Errors can access anytime and anywhere. An error may occur in CPU, in I/O devices, or in the memory hardware. So following these are we have different activities in the error handling methods. First one is OS has been constantly check the possible errors and rectify that. And next one is the OS can appropriate action to the ensure correct and consistent computing. So these are the methods to handling our errors in OS. OS can handle these two types of handling error in our machines. Thank you.